Kadbah Rilum khasi bat jantia kidang persyak banwanra agajing Pyniaosh daka Lynti. Menteri Rangbak Barim Kejelapan Dr. Mukul Sangma hakasing palai jong ketayo ulapan pau bakalong kebakongsan ban Pyniaosh daka Lynti Harilum Garo kenang ban kentiu kayok kokot bat ban pensuk ya kalet kawan jong kipat ba. Habai kena bikinong patai kubor Dr. Mukul Sangma ubulong nong yalam keliang persyak. Ulang bawa ajeng Kyrshan ekajing dawa ban Pyniaosh Rilum Garo daka Lynti namar kalong kebakongsan bah banwara ekajing kela bat ban kentiu ru ya kayok kokot. Ulang bagajing Pyniaosh daka Lynti hapadeng ka Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh kanwanra ekajing kela ya ka Meghalaya bat ekathan shte lam mingihi barok kawai. Ulang baling bagan ke projek lada ekajing kemu ban Pyniaosh ya ka Southwest Garo Hills sya ke jela West Bengal ka baniat leng ba ka Bangladesh ka ban pendunai ekajing jengai jong kalit kawan bat kat kentiu ru ya ka kam khai pateng. Uletu bahag senam arajar katsan latha ke high level committee banwat kilat Lynti bat gladon ru kejeng kran hapadeng kari India bat kari Bangladesh. Ka jengai na Meghalaya ban lech West Bengal leng ba ka Bangladesh kan long tang 4 kilometer. Kumta kan wanra ke jingkala hagalat Pyniaosh kelat kamai kaji bat kan kentiu ru ya ke jing singanya kari laong shosho Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Wherein members were drawn from West Bengal, from Meghalaya to engage with our counterpart in Bangladesh to have an alternative access for the Northeast through Meghalaya to the other parts of the country, in addition to the existing alignment of access to other parts of the country through North Bengal. You see? So these particular proposed alignment of connect to other parts of the country through Bangladesh was examined. There was a committee constituted, and the proposal that revolved around was to have the nearest point from the eastern border of West Bengal with the western border of Meghalaya. That's why you have seen that this particular issue has found a space in the budget speech. So the alignment is from West Bengal border to Meghalaya, Southwest Garo district, my native place, okay, across Bangladesh and connecting West Bengal at a place called Hili. There's a counterpart in Bangladesh also, Hili in India, in West Bengal, and Hili in Bangladesh, and to Southwest district of Garo Hills. So this particular transit through Bangladesh for railway is the particular proposal which was examined by that committee and appropriately taken up bilaterally with the involvement of the concerned ministries of both the union, means our union government with the counterpart Bangladesh. This particular connect with Southwest Garo's Southwest Garo's district and Hili in West Bengal across Bangladesh is just around 100 kilometers. You will see the map, of both India and Bangladesh, where you will see, the portion of our international border along the eastern part of West Bengal comes protruded towards the east. And our distance from Meghalaya border to that particular border in West Bengal is just around 100 kilometers. So you can understand the overall benefit which will this particular mega project can bring for the whole country. The access to other parts of the country, not only from economic perspective, it is also from security perspective. Keeping in mind that Bangladesh as a neighboring country has always been our friendly neighbor. Okay, we need to engage bilaterally. This is a geopolitical part, which I leave it to the government of India. But I think all along in the past, after the liberation of Bangladesh, India had a friendly neighbor. As far as Bangladesh is concerned, this particular issue must be addressed from the geopolitical perspective by Union Government of India. And we, from the Northeast, have always taken this particular issue concerning the friendly neighborhood with Bangladesh from Northeast perspective, because any problem in our bilateral relationship between India and Bangladesh has its ramification for the northeastern part of the country. All through the years, and I have reasons to be optimistic that this will continue and we will ultimately be able to give that connect from Southwest Garo district to the other parts of the country through by connecting hilly in West Bengal through Bangladesh. That is automatically going to transform our whole socio-economic landscape in the region. The access to market and open up new avenues of entrepreneurship, business, trade, commerce. And our desire to have access to the nearest port, which is the nearest port for the Northeast? Through West Bengal only. And other than that, through Bangladesh, we can always have a nearest port, that is Chittagong.